Hello guys and welcome. Huawei will hold a launch press conference on 2nd of June, and at the event, the company will unveil its new operating system, HarmonyOS, as well as the new smartwatch Watch 3 series. Alongside these products, Huawei has now confirmed to launch a new Huawei MatePad Pro tablet with pre-installed HarmonyOS. According to the teaser image shared by the company, this new version of MatePad Pro will come with a new M Pen stylus with improved efficiency. Previous reports suggest that this tablet will be powered by HiSilicon's 5nm Kirin 9000 processor and will come in two large display sizes of 12.8 and 10.8 inches. There is more to know about this upcoming Huawei MatePad Pro tablet, and we'll keep you posted on this matter. That's it for now. Until next time, stay connected. If you like this video, then press the like button, comment below, or press the bell icon to get notified on our latest video. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and join our Telegram channel to get the fastest notification on the latest news. And don't forget to visit huaweicentral.com.